In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Google Ads by updating your payment method. This is an essential skill for anyone using Google Ads to ensure your campaigns continue running smoothly without any payment interruptions. Whether you're a seasoned advertiser or just starting out, keeping your billing information up to date is crucial. Let's dive in, starting with the basics. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your online advertisements. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Google Ads campaigns. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. Now this is where you have access to a variety of tools and settings, including the one we're interested in today, Billing. Look for a tab labelled Billing on the menu. Clicking on this will take you to the section where all your payment and transaction information is housed. Within the Billing section, you'll see several options lined up, such as your current balance, transaction history, and so on. Our focus, however, is on payment methods. Finding the option labelled Payment Methods and clicking on it will direct you to a page displaying all the payment methods currently linked to your Google Ads account. Here's an important tip. Keeping multiple payment methods linked can serve as a backup to prevent any disruptions due to a declined payment. Now let's look at how to add a new payment method. You will find a button clearly labelled ADD Payment Method. Click on this and you will be guided through the process of entering your new payment information. This could be a credit card, debit card, or any other form of payment acceptable by Google. As you enter your details, double check each field for accuracy. A mistake at this stage could lead to unwelcome issues. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, proceed by saving your new payment method. And there you have it, your new payment method is now successfully added to your Google Ads account. This means you'll now be able to fund your campaigns without any hassle, ensuring that your ads reach their audience smoothly. Remember, periodically reviewing and updating your payment information is a good practice. This will prevent any possible interruptions in your campaigns due to outdated or invalid payment details. I hope this guide has made the process much clearer, and you're now ready to manage your Google Ads payments with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials in the future.